In this video, we'll cover average atomic mass. If you look on the left-hand side over here, you see lithium. Lithium has 3 protons and 3 neutrons located in the nucleus. Therefore, that we can say that the atomic mass, the mass of the lithium, is a combination of both proton and the neutron, so 3 plus 3, which makes it 6. And the unit is AMU, atomic mass unit. What about for carbon? So carbon has 6 protons and 6 neutrons for this carbon. And so that added together, that will be 12 atomic mass unit. So when we look at a periodic table, however, let's say for lithium, you see this value underneath 6.04. You might have seen or heard that this is the mass. Well, if this is the mass, then what is this? What's the difference between 6.04 and 6? Why is it just not 6? This right here is not the atomic mass, but rather the average atomic mass. Let's look at carbon. If you look at the periodic table, underneath that C, you should see 12.01 or pretty close to it. And there is a decimal value here. And again, this is because it is the average atomic mass. These are all image of carbon. The carbon doesn't just come in 6 neutrons all the time. Yes, they have 6 protons. Here, right? They all have 6 protons, but they come in different isotopes. And that this one has 6 neutrons, this one is 7, and this one has 8. To account for the neutrons that are not just 6, but 7 and 8, the average atomic mass really incorporates both this isotope and this one, along with this one. So you might wonder, okay, so this is 12, right? 6 plus 6 is 12. This one, 6 plus 7 is 13. And then we have 6 plus 8, that's 14. So average them up, should we get 12.01? No, we won't. In fact, we're not just taking into consideration of just adding all of those 3 isotope atomic mass unit, but rather we're taking into consideration within a sample, there's 98.89% of carbon-12. There are 1.11% of carbon-13 and very, very little, like lots of zeros, and 2% of carbon-14. So in a sample, so say I'm a sample, I made up a bunch of carbons, then 98.89 of the carbon that I have, that I possess, is carbon-12, and the rest are carbon-13 and carbon-14. And it's taking that percentage into consideration to come up with the average atomic mass. So again, the average atomic mass of an atom, you can find it on below right here of the periodic table. And it's 6.04 here and 12.01 here. And so what is the unit for these guys? The unit for these guys is the same as the one proton plus the neutron, and that would be the AMU. So unit for this one would be 6.04 AMU, atomic mass unit, 12.01 AMU. Sometimes textbook will denote it as just U as well. So let's do a learning check. Here it says atomic mass for nitrogen-14. So this is a type of an isotope called nitrogen-14. So what is a mass? The mass already tells you that's 14. So this is 14 AMU. The average, right? The average atomic mass for nitrogen is, we're going to go ahead and look in the periodic table. So if we go to the periodic table, you see that is 14.01. So average atomic mass for nitrogen is 14.01. And the unit is AMU. atomic mass for how about cobalt 58? That 58 already tells you it is the atomic mass unit is 58, or you can add proton and the neutrons together if they don't give you that. And so that would be 58 AMU. And the average is, if you look at the periodic table, it is 58.93 AMU. So that's the difference between a regular atomic mass versus the average atomic mass.